How do we construct perpendicular lines? So our goal for this construction is to construct perpendicular lines, which are basically the opposite of parallel lines. We're trying to draw two lines that perfectly intersect each other at right angles. So something that kind of looks like this, where every angle that it makes is going to be a right angle. So for this construction, we're going to start with a line, and we can just draw this line wherever. I'm going to draw it right here. And we're also going to draw a point above that line, and I'm just going to put that point right here. And we'll also call it point P just so we don't forget where it is, because that's kind of small. So this construction is fairly short. The first thing we need to do is pull out our compass, and we're going to draw an arc starting at point P. And this is going to be a pretty big arc. So we're going to like expand it all the way out here. We're going to lock our compass, and we're going to draw a giant arc that goes across this line. So something like this. Now our second step is going to be to try to draw an X down here. And we want this X to line up perfectly with P so that when we draw a line in between, it makes perpendicular lines. And the way that we're going to do that is we're going to move our compass over here to this little intersection where the arc crosses the line, and we're going to draw the first part of our X. So we're just going to draw a little arc like right here. And now keeping the same compass length, so make sure your compass is locked, we're going to move this over to the other part where our arc crosses the line, and we're going to draw the second part of our X like this. So once you've done that, you should have an X below here that perfectly lines up with P. So our last step is just going to be to pull out our straight edge, and we're going to line this up with P and the X. So I think this is lined up enough, so I'm going to just go ahead and draw our line. And there you go, you now have two perpendicular lines. I mean, we've got a lot of other stuff going on too, but as you can see, these two lines here make perfect 90-degree angles. So now you know how to construct perpendicular lines. But what about a perpendicular bisector? That's the same thing as perpendicular lines, except it has to go directly halfway between the line. So if you want to learn how to do that, you can watch this video right here. And as always, if you have any questions about this video, go ahead and leave it in the comments, and I'll be sure to answer your question. Thanks for watching.